humans are great at saving things. We save money, save seats, save The Last Dance, and we almost saved a lot of time when we invented robots. But then Facebook happened. Still, overall, pretty great at saving things. You know what we're not great at saving? Leftovers. But to be fair, we don't have great options. Option 1, the baggie. Our way of telling nature, hey, screw you. The average family can go through 2,000 of these a year. And the average fish is dead because you killed him with 2,000 plastic baggies. If you've ever defused a bomb or used one of these to store something liquid, you know what true fear is. No.
Dad, it's dripping everywhere.
Go get the dog. Option 2, plastic containers. And with them, lids. Lids that somehow multiply like teenage plastic rabbits. But you know what doesn't multiply? The one that fits the stupid container. Point is, it's hard to be good at saving things when your choices are disposable plastic garbage or impossible matching games. But now, saving is about to get simple. Introducing zip-top containers.
The world's first reusable 100% platinum silicone containers that stand up, stay open, and zip shut.
Are they perfect? No. But yes, they are perfect. With 5 patents pending, the zip-top was designed with the environment in mind. One zip-top can replace over 5,000 plastic baggies, which could save who knows how many fish. It also might save some sharks too, but for a container that doesn't need a lid, it is worth the risk. And unlike baggies, the zip-top containers are tough. Heat, cold, cars. Even kids can't destroy it. And they will try.
This is mine. Give it to me.
They will always try. But you'll rest easy knowing that the zip-top can take whatever you throw at it, or in it. Need to store scalding hot soup? This laughs in the face of soup. This makes soup feel bad about itself. Look at it stand upright. Your liquids are secure now. Save your worrying for the sharks. Plus, it's easy to get excess air out of zip-top containers, which will keep your food fresher longer. Zip-top is freezer safe, microwave safe, and even oven safe. If it were any safer, we'd be calling it Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. And when you're done, just toss them in the dishwasher. The zip-tops are fine. Easy. And because it's 100% platinum silicone, it won't leach harmful chemicals like plastics can. But maybe you're saying, hey, I like leached chemicals in my food. This product is not for you. Also, please see a doctor. And if storing your food perfectly wasn't enough, zip-tops are great for taking meals or snacks on the go. With 8 different shapes and sizes, zip-top containers can be used anywhere, even your car's cup holder. They're great for more than just holding food, too. Get weird with it. We won't judge. We love you. Need proof? Exhibit A.
Thanks, honey.
That's my sandwich. It's time to leave the outdated options behind. Save the planet and save yourself with zip-top containers. Get yours today.
Nowadays, there is something wrong with the market of climate equipment. On the one hand, there are plenty of absolutely inefficient small devices that don't prevent suffering from heat. On the other hand, there are overpriced bulky solutions that consume tons of energy. They require complicated maintenance and, to be honest, not always provide you with desired level of comfort. I don't know about you, but I would like to have a device that combines portability of desktop gadget with efficiency of modern technology. Meet next generation of Evapolar, smart personal air conditioner. This multifunctional device cools, humidifies and purifies the air, creating a perfect microclimate around yourself.
Evapolar is easy to use as 1, 2, 3. Fill the water tank, adjust the fan speed, enjoy it. Evapolar works on power of water evaporation. It literally creates this natural refreshing breeze one can feel at the sea coast. Unlike fans that dry your hair and skin, Evapolar produces moist air, taking care of your health and beauty.
Everybody has their own temperature of comfort and optimal humidity level. This is definitely not something that central air conditioning systems respect. Also, cooling effect spreads unevenly, and those who are close to an air conditioner always feel too hot, and others always feel too cold. During the summer season, poorly air-conditioned spaces become unbearable, and regular heat waves make it much worse. Even best climate systems often can't cope, and you need some extra cooling power. Evapolar makes you feel comfortable in any conditions, improving your productivity and helping you to achieve more.
The core technology behind Evapolar is EvaBreeze, a specially developed evaporative metamaterial based on mineral nanofibers. This allows Evapolar to be both compact and powerful. Unlike traditional materials, EvaBreeze doesn't contain any organic elements. This prevents bacteria and mold spread. Moreover, there is no freon or any other toxic coolant. This makes Evapolar technology absolutely safe to use and eco-friendly. Thank you.
Evapolar is a truly smart device. It consumes less energy than a light-saving bulb, significantly reducing your bills. With a variety of tools for automation, smart home integrations, and application control, Evapolar will easily become a natural part of your office or home ecosystem.
Hi, this is the Occo 2, a simple home monitoring camera. When you're away from your pooch or your baby or the grandpiece, how can you check up on them? Meet Occo 2. It's going to make the world a better place and all that kind of stuff. Occo 2, your hunch is right. Occo 1 exists and is already on sale, but the wheels of progress never stop turning. The Occo 2 is a self-learning full HD camera with hybrid storage. One of a kind. An SD card will be useful in case your internet connection gets lost. And cloud storage in case thieves want to steal your Occo 2. And they will want to steal it. Self-learning is always good, but with the Occo 2, it's amazing. Amazing! And I feel a bit sorry about the $200 cameras that you buy, and after 3 days, you're sick of all the fake notifications. Every time a car passes by, or tree swaying, every light blinking. Self-learning is always good. Our AI understands that you don't want to be inundated with endless notifications, only smart push notifications. By the way, what's that guy doing in your kitchen? 60-second setup. A magic magnetic base that you can fix to your wall and point in any direction you want. Yeah, even there. Widest viewing angle, night vision, and of course, two-way talk. I love you.
I love you too.
Aww.
The fact is, these days, big corporations know more about you than your own mother does.
They know all your search history and habits. Do you really need a camera that's finding out even more about you? We're just as concerned about security as you are. Amazing! Monthly payments, to be aware, is $100 a year. No monthly payments required, ever. That's how we roll. The Occo 2 is powered by the incredible iVidian app, which has outdone all other video surveillance services for the last 6 years. To bestow the Occo 2 upon the world, we have an experienced and diverse team from 5 countries. The US, France, China, Russia. Okay, 4, but that's still pretty good, right? The camera is ready to be manufactured. Help us to crowdfund the first bunch of Occo 2 production units. You'll be the first to get a camera, and for half price. Our dream is to bring fully featured and affordable security devices to every home. Jump in! Together we can! Let's do it! What are you waiting for, kid? Let's do it! Come on, guys. One day, you'll tell your grandchildren that you helped these great guys launch this really cool thing.
Hi, my name is Vision. I am an intelligent assistant for home and office. And this is my constructor Artur. Hi Artur.
Hi Vision. Vision is the simplest and cheapest way to rule off smart home and office. Vision is an intelligent device that supports you and assists you with daily activities. It saves time, money and cares about our nature. And all this with the use of the voice control. The algorithms are based on neural networks, allows to control the most of the crucial device like TV, lights or kitchen devices. In addition, Vision makes it easy to find out information on the internet. This is why we create Vision.
How to make an intelligent home or office in 3 simple steps. Take your mobile phone or tablet with Android in version 5.0 or higher and connect to the internet. Install application of Vision and set up your personal configuration. Put the device in stand. Vision can do what you wish him to do. Some examples: you can order any items using the voice command. It can control the light, turning it on or off. It can play any music you like using voice command. It can answer the question you ask on any topic or find out any interesting information. It can connect with other smart devices like TV. Vision, turn off the light.
Every feature of Vision is a field of research in artificial intelligence. It has very deep scientific knowledge. Vision, tell me definition of oxygen.
Oxygen is a chemical element with symbol O and atomic number 8. It is a member of the chalcogen group on the periodic table, a highly reactive nonmetal, and an oxidizing agent that readily forms oxides with most elements as well as with other compounds.
By installing our vision application even on your old devices with cracked displays, we can preserve our current environment. So we encourage you to do this on your own devices.
Vision is your personal friend of giving individual possibilities like changing the appearance, changing the voice setting, adding and learning new commands, learning the latest improved settings, and many other options.
Full version of Vision application only for IndieGoGo backers. Stephanie, are you there?
Yes, Vision.
Can you borrow me 1 GB odd RAM?
Okay, let me share with you.